time steel. Bells begin, the floor can feel. Cold fluorescents cut the haze. Shift starts now, no delay. This is the factory of no mercy. Steel breath, oil, sweat, no apology. Rhythm drills straight through the chest. Only the strongest survive the test. Pistons pumping time in bars. Precious stacks, no safety guards. Hands move faster than the mind. Error margins left behind. Clock in, lock eyes. Hear the machine decide. Factory, no mercy. Hammered pulse, industrial truth. Factory, no mercy. Pain refined into proof. Factory, no mercy. Every hit a mandate signed. Factory, no mercy. Human noise redefined. Sweat sparks off the metal skin. Repeat the motion, breathe it in. No relief between the blows. Outputs all the system knows. Cut the light, hold the grind. Nothing soft survives the line.